Supplies you'll need: your new wig, and your choice of purple shampoo, bleach powder, and 40 volume developer. Let's talk consistency. It's very important. If you get it too thin, it will run right down through the knots into your hair. If it's too thick, it won't even go through to the knots and it won't bleach them. So it's very important to get it just right so the bleach seeps through just a little bit to bleach those knots. Let's get started. I'm starting with the hair pushed back out of the way, out of the closure, nice and neat. My good consistent bleach. Taking the bleach and placing it on the knots with a small amount of pressure. Staying away from anything else because it'll bleach that too. For information, bleach basically only works for about 40 minutes at a time. After that, you have to make a new batch. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to It's Choice Styles. Almost done here. Set a timer, and when it's done, rinse with cool water. Here we go. Freshly rinsed and ready for the purple shampoo as a toner. We're just using it to tone down that brassy red looking color that you get when you color hair. Lather that stuff on there. It really doesn't matter. Try to get it all over. If you need more, use more. It's better to have a lot. Okay. Let it sit for 20-25 minutes. The results. Wow. I like it. You guys tell me what you think. I need a round of applause. Let me know what I could have did better. I'm not perfect. Okay, guys, thank you.